sparkling water, and kombucha. My lighting is not the best right now. I need to get my ring light. So now we're smooth and even. Okay, this is the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black. Just follow my natural hairline, and then I start creating the end of my brow. And then I'm just gonna follow the outline of my brow. And then right here where my arch is, I'm gonna start pointing it down and slanting it down. There we go. And I fill in the arch. And then when I get to here in the front, it's the last thing I like to do. I just flick very, very lightly. I'm barely touching it. Like, I'm not even really touching my skin. I'm just touching like the hair. I'm gonna flick from the bottom and up and out like that. And then I'm gonna use a spoolie, and I'm gonna go from the bottom of the hair and up, flick it up. And then when I get to the middle right here on the arch, I start going like slanted and straight. And then when I get to the bottom of my arch, I brush down. And then I just kind of go, I like get back and just kind of look at my brow in different angles. And then we're gonna do the same thing, straight lines on the bottom to sketch out the shape of our brow. And then right here we start curving down and then like flicking it out. And up here I just follow my hair grows lightly in the front, flick up from the bottom and flick up. This brow is actually thinner than my other one, so I like to overfill this part a little bit and then clean it up later. I told y'all my fucking camera is weird. It just literally died with no explanation. Actually, I think I'm gonna do the e.l.f. Wow Brow now to fill in. I'm gonna go ahead and focus this on the front part of our brow, then follow the lines, the natural shape of our brow. Okay, now we're gonna clean it up. It's gonna dip into like whatever's on the top here. Take a little on the back of my hand because it's a little too much. I'm just gonna lay it down a little bit lower than where I need to apply it. I'm just following the bottom of my brow. Try to do the top. Again, taking it a little bit lower and then going up to where I need it to correct the shape of my brow. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put the concealer all over my lid. Setting it with my powder. We're gonna do a white graphic liner. We're gonna outline right here. We're gonna start like right here. I'm just gonna try to follow the natural socket of my eye. And do the same thing on the other side. Also at this part, you can just use a concealer if you mess up, so no big deal. I'm just gonna try to clean up and make this line right here as thin as I can. I added a little more wing to that white on this side. I'm just trying to replicate it on this side. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do this. Now I'm gonna use the Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in Spotlight Glids. Really, really fine glitter. Me, when your mom and me, and your mom. Okay, I don't know if you can see it in the pan, but it's just a very reflective rose gold fine glitter pigment. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild like fluffy dome brush and just put it on there. Ooh, that is beautiful. Good lord. This is created by Mac Daddy on YouTube. It's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna go in with the Il Makiage ink liner in black. I'm just gonna line my lids. And then start like going above the light. I'm gonna use a black color from Tartelette palette and Tartelette in Bloom and an angled liner brush. I'm gonna go with Smoke Show, which is just a black shade. Okay, I'm back. I made some cleanups. I'm gonna go ahead and do lashes. Okay, I'm going to tightline my top lash really quick. Actually, I'm gonna curl my lashes really quick. I'm gonna tightline the eyes. This is, I think, an LA Girl Glide gel liner. I like it. There we go. Tightlined. This is actually coming together. I'm so happy with that. I'm gonna do lashes. What lashes do I want to do? I have Ardell 579. I just kind of extra coat the lashes. Let's attach it to the end of the lash right there. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought. Butang ina. Actually, I'm gonna take these off and reapply them because it's like rubbing up against like where I blink, so I'm gonna put it a little bit further back. Much better. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I decided to use that Urban Decay Heavy Metal and like put it just on top of where I put all the glitter, because by itself it's like very faint, so I feel like putting it on top of a different glitter is just like super cute. I think it just looks better. It pops a little bit more, so because like I kind of felt like it was just a little basic, like with that, like it just kind of blends in, and the rose gold was like getting lost. So I was like, off camera, let me see if I like this. If I don't, whatever. I love that. Bitch, you will be blinding. Now I don't need rhinestones, I don't think. I might still do it. Actually, I'm gonna go with Adult Film. I think it's like close, very close to this, like the glitters. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. I just use like the back of my nail. I use our forefingers and I just kind of warm it up on my finger. See it? It's so glittery. They're gonna be calling 911 on me because I have literal flashlights on my eyes. I love it. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in golden beige. It's the matte version. Okay, a little bit of concealer. Now we're gonna go into the Morphe palette contour brush from Real Techniques. I'm just gonna hit it like right here at the temples, and then I brush like just normal on my forehead, and kind of like stippling it to where the shadow of my cheekbone is. I quickly stick it on the nose. Oh, I'm using that Morphe palette in the shade Debutante. This one, it's a light, like, or a medium cool tone gray, cool tone brown. I'm just putting a little bit here. Angled brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna use this light one and then the one underneath it. I think that's what I'm feeling today, so tap off the excess. I'm not afraid to go a little crazy with blush and contour because when I use my pressed powder on top to blend it all together, it looks good. So I'll put the blush like where I put contour just to mash it all together. That's just what I like to do. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with that brush again, this big one, and do a final sweep to like mix everything together, no harsh lines. I'm gonna try to really clean this up on the bottom. I'm gonna do Fix Plus and then I'm gonna do a setting spray. I'm just gonna line my lips really quick, overline the bottom, and then do that trick where you don't go all the way out to the end of your lip. And then I'm just gonna do gloss on top. This is the e.l.f. Plumping Gloss and Mocha Twist. I think I'm gonna do maybe highlight. The Fenty Diamond Bomb How Many Carats. It's so cute, love the packaging. It's just like a really clear, finely milled highlighter. Do I want to do anything on the bottom? Maybe I'll do like a little purple so that makes my eyes pop. Okay. I love this. I love this look. I think the white really makes it pop, and then you have your regular black liner. Oh my god, I love this. Going to the DMV looking like this. Yeah, hopefully they take me because I'm doing a walk-in and I had an appointment last time but I forgot some stuff, so hopefully they take me in, they finish it, and my license is gonna be me looking like this. No flex. This is just a casual look. This is how I look every day. I'm just kidding. We just passed by a hotel called Edelweiss in, and there's a lot of German restaurants, bakeries. I think we should explore this area more. It's just so far away. It's 30 minutes, 40 minutes away. Okay, we're gonna go eat. Bye. Привет, Visia. I got it. I got my temporary license, got my name updated, got a Texas driver's license, and I updated my address. Now I have a temporary. I just gotta wait for them to mail the permanent one. Yeah, hope everybody stays safe this weekend. It's New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. Do not drink and drive. Just get an Uber and get a ride. Please don't drink and drive. Okay, bye.